Hi, welcome back to my channel Sal Chakra. I hope you are doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about the recent transit that is going to take place. Sun is going to move into the Gemini, how it is going to affect each moon sign and the ascendant, and what are things that you need to take care of. Along with that, I will be going to help you out with the remedies that you should do to overcome the challenges and the setbacks which you may face during this time. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. Before we go ahead, first you need to understand that what exactly the sun planet is. So the sun is all about your inner soul. It is about the vitality. It is about the energy, as well as it tells about your confidence, overall how much energetic your body is. On the other side, the Gemini is a zodiac sign that is connected to the communication, intellectual, as well as it is connected to the traveling too. So when Sun planet, which is a Atma Karak, which tell you about your soul purpose, is going to move into the Gemini, how it is going to affect each individual. So this is a time where people may feel more restless because Gemini is a zodiac sign that is connected to your mental health too. So it has been noticed that during this time people may feel duality. Duality means sometimes you will be feeling like I want to travel, I want to do something funny in my life, or would like to enjoy my life during this time. On the other side, sometimes you may feel restless, overthinking, or you may face sleeping related issues also during this time. This is a time where the sun is going to move into Gemini, where already Jupiter is sitting. Jupiter, which is a karak of your luck, Jupiter, which is a karak of overall abundance in your life, which is also connected to the money, child and family expansion. So this is a time where you need to be more conscious, because sun is going to burn the energy of the Jupiter. So now this is a Jupiter is going to combust, the sun is going to burn the quality of the Jupiter. So this is a time where there is a high possibility of people getting trapped in any type of scam, because this is a time where people may trust people very easily, and afterward they will realize that there can be any big financial losses, or a person can get cheated in the relationship also during this time. So this is a part which you need to take care of. This is a time where you may feel very restless at time you want to eat more, or at time you don't want to eat. You feel very unsatisfied with your health, internal health, especially it is going to affect internally. It will be going to affect you in the sleep. It can give you the sleeping disorder too. So this is not so great time when it comes to the health. You need to take care of your health, and this is for overall country level what is going to happen. It is going to affect your health. People who are getting engaged during this time, or where the marriage has already been fixed, this is a time where you need to be more conscious, because of any reason there can be the break in the relationship also. There can be the ego clashes among the partners, and you need to be very much conscious when it comes to communication with your partner, with your bosses, or among the family members, because the energies of the domestic life will also be disturbed during this time. So now let us understand how it is going to affect each moon sign and the ascendant. Each moon sign and the ascendant, this is a very positive time for you. This is a time where this particular transit is going to take place in your third house, owning the fifth house. So this is a very good time for the students who are appearing in any competitive examination. There is a very high possibility their competitive examination will be clear during this time. There is a high possibility you may purchase a new vehicle, or you may purchase a new property, or you may shift to a new property during this time. This is a good time when it comes to the career. Career-wise, you are going to see the growth. There's a high possibility of a change of a career, a promotion. If your promotion is due, then there's a very high possibility you will be promoted during this time. But this will not be so great time when it comes to the relationship with your bosses, relationship with your father, as well as a relationship with your partner too. So this time you need to take care of. This is actually a good time for you. Your hard work will start paying off. As much as you do the hard work during this time, you are going to notice that you will be started getting the positive results out of it. If you are a parent, then there is a high possibility your child is going to get success during this time, and you will feel proud of that. But this is not so great time when it comes to the health. Health wise, you need to be taking care of your health, especially things like ENT, thyroid, or any type of infection or the fever related problem. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck, make sure that you are offering water to the sun daily. Add pinch of turmeric in. Taurus, for you, sun is going to transit into the second house. Second house, which is connected to the savings, which is connected to your speech. It is also connected to your incoming income too. So this is a mixed period for you. It has been noticed that the career wise and the money wise is a good time for you. There is a high possibility you may start a new business during this time, and you may increase the multiple sources of income also during this time. But when it comes to the speech, you will become more blunt and straightforward. That may create the problem in your family life. So family relationship may impact during this time. If you are already married, then you need to be conscious, because there will be the high possibility of the ego clashes also during this time. This is a time when you need to control your food habits too, because there is a high possibility of the health related problem during this time. And the major health related problem which you may face is a food infection, ENT related problem, eyes related problem, and the bones related problem. So these are things that you need to be taken care of. Otherwise, career wise and the finances wise, it seems like a great time for you. But for the domestic life wise and the family wise, it's not a great time. Try to focus on your own self. Be conscious while speaking, because it can impact your relationship. And the remedy that you can do to overcome the challenges is keep on chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So daily, if you are chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, sitting near the Tulsi plant, that is best. If you don't have a Tulsi plant, then sitting in the home temple or any temple, you can start chanting it. It is going to give you a very positive effect. For you, this particular transit is going to take place in the first house. So this will not be so great time when it comes to your health. Health wise, you need to be conscious. It is a time where you may feel more restless, irritation, anger and frustration, and you started burning yourself, and you may feel inside, you may feel very irritated during this time. This is not so great time health wise. Don't take your health for granted and be conscious health wise. This is not so great time when it comes to the relationship. If you are already in the relationship or you are already married, then there is a high possibility of the ego clashes or the breakup in the relationship too. So relationship wise, don't take your relationship for granted. Try to communicate openly with your partner. It is going to help you out. Career wise, there is a very high possibility of a change of a career, or if there is any possibility of a change of a place also because of the career. To overcome the challenges, make sure for this particular month you are going to donate bananas to the needy. It is going to help. Cancer, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 12th house. 12th house, which is connected to the loss, investment and your subconscious mind. This is a time where you may feel restless, overthinking, irritation, anger and frustration. So this particular month, you need to be very much conscious when it comes to your mental health. This is not so great time health wise. Don't take your health for granted. And the major health related problem which you may face during this time is a gastric related problem, eye related problem, any type of infections, fever and low on energy. And this is the most important, is the mental health. Mental health wise, this is not so great time. You may notice that you will be seeing delay in every work, but it's not a great time to start anything new, and it is a time where you should go with the flow. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya and avoid wearing yellow color clothes. Leo, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 11th house. Seems like it is a great time for you career wise and the finances wise. There are a lot of your manifestation will be fulfilled related to the career and the business and the finances. But this will not be so great time when it comes to the marriage or your child health. If you're already engaged or you're already in the relationship, you need to be conscious for this particular time. There may be the high possibility of a breakup in the relationship, or maybe the involvement of the third party during this time. So you need to be very much conscious. When it comes to your child appearing in any competitive examination, then there is a very high possibility that your child will be able to clear that particular examination. And health wise, you need to take care of your health, because right now your past life karmic will be open, which may impact your health. So don't take your health for granted. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are chanting Om Aditya Nama daily and offer water to the sun daily. Add a pinch of turmeric in it. It is going to help. Virgo, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 10th house, which is a positive time for you career wise and the finances wise. If you're looking for a job change during this time, then there is a very high possibility you will be able to change the job. Career wise, you are going to see the success. There will be the possibility of starting a new business also during this time. But when it comes to your marriage, you need to take care of your partner's health during this time. And domestic life wise, since stars doesn't seem so favorable. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya to overcome the challenges during this. Libra, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 9th house, which is not a good placement when it comes to the health. Health-wise, you need to be conscious. Don't take your health for granted. This is not so great time when it comes to the relationship. Relationship-wise, maybe you may feel ego clashes, but career-wise is a good time. If you're looking for a job change or you want to start something new, then this is a great time to start something new. Career-wise, you are going to get the success. To overcome the challenges, make sure that during this time you're donating or feeding bananas to the cows. It is going to help. Libra, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 9th house, which is not a good placement when it comes to the health. Health-wise, you need to be conscious. Don't take your health for granted. This is not so great time when it comes to the relationship. Relationship-wise, maybe you may feel ego clashes, but career-wise is a good time. If you're looking for a job change or you want to start something new, then this is a great time to start something new. Career-wise, you are going to get the success. To overcome the challenges, make sure that during this time you're donating or feeding bananas to the cows. It is going to help. Scorpio, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 8th house. 8th house, which is connected to the transformation, rebirth, as well as this is a house of the pain. So this is not so great time for you. You need to take care of your mental health. You need to take care of your health, as well as don't take your career for granted, because this is not so great time when it comes to your career. This is a time it is not advisable to start anything new or to make any changes in your career. Try to go with the flow during this time, because this time doesn't seem like so great when it comes to the relationship, career, finances, as well as money wise. To overcome the challenges, make sure every Thursday you are donating or feeding cows bananas and offer water to the sun daily and start waking up early. Sagittarius, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 7th house. You need to be very much conscious from the female side. You may face any type of problem from the female side in your career, in your office, or in your personal life too. You need to take care of your mental health. You need to take care of your health, as well as you need to take care of your partner health also during this time. This is not so great time relationship wise and the health wise. Not a great time to change anything. You should go with the flow. It's not a great time to change the job also. To overcome the challenges, keep on chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. It is going to help. Capricorn, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 6th house. If you are stuck in any legal case, there is a high possibility you will be able to overcome the legal case. If your money is stuck somewhere, there is a high possibility you will be able to get your money back. But this is not so great time when it comes to your health. It is a good time to change your job or to change your career, but it is not so great time when it comes to the relationship. Any type of defame in the society, the possibility of the defame in the society is also there. So that part you need to be conscious. To overcome the challenges, keep on chanting Om Adityaya Namah. It is going to. Aquarius, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in your 5th house, which is not so great when it comes to your health. You need to take care of your mental health, and the problem which you are going to face health wise is a psychological problem. This is not so great time when it comes to your career also. So don't make any fake promises or commitment in your career as well as in the relationship. This is a time where you may feel more isolated, alone, and more into your own world. But when it comes to the adding new skills and the learning, then for that part it is a good time. To overcome the challenges, keep on chanting Om Adityaya Namah, or you can listen to Aditya Hriday Strotam. It is going to help you out to overcome. Pisces, for you, this particular transit is going to take place in the 4th house, which is not so good placement of the sun. So this is not so great time when it comes to your mental health. It is not so great time when it comes to your domestic life. You need to take care of your mother health also during this time. There is a possibility of a clashes between your bosses or with your father. So that part also you need to be conscious. And relationship wise, make sure that you are not taking your relationship for granted. To overcome the challenges, keep on chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya to overcome the problem. If you don't know your zodiac sign and you want to know that what exactly I can do during this time, then the best is offer water to the sun daily, add a pinch of haldi in it if possible. Then every Sunday or Thursday try to donate bananas to the needy and keep on chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya at least 108 times. It is going to help you out to overcome the challenges and the problems which you may face because of this particular transit. And the best is this particular transit is going to take place on 15th of June. So make sure on 15th of June you are donating anything like green vegetables you can donate, or you can feed cows green vegetables, so the impact of this particular transit will be minimal in your life. If you still have any questions related to this particular transit or related to your life, you can ask me on the comment. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.